So, hello ma'am. For today's video, we are here to present our assignment topic, which is the Adobe InDesign. So, may I call Jomar Nerona to discuss the introduction. Thank you.
Okay, so hello everyone. So what is Adobe InDesign? So Adobe InDesign is like my or our creative toolbox for making all sort of things such as posters, brochure, and newsletters. It's great kasi I can easily or we can easily arrange text, pictures, at graphics exactly kung paano ko gusto nilang tignan. For example, okay, I will give you some example. I can design a stylish magazine layout na may fancy fonts at colorful pictures. Plus, it's handy for creating professional looking resume o business cards para ma-impress ang potential employers o clients. Overall, Adobe InDesign helps me or help us bring my ideas to life in polished at professional na paraan.
Next slide, please. So, let's discuss the importance of Adobe InDesign in various industries. So, Adobe InDesign span across numerous industries, serving as a vital tool for creative professionals. Here's why it's crucial in a various sectors. So, the first is the graphic design. So, bakit nga mahalaga si InDesigns for graphic designs? Dahil ito yung isang tool na ginagamit ng ating mga developer for designing, for layout, print, and digital. So, sa pamamagitan ng InDesign, no, um, maaari kang lumika ng mga brochures, magazines, gaya ng sinabi ni Mr. Jomar um, na ginagamit ng ating mga users for their everyday lives. So the next is the publishing. So mahalaga din si Adobe InDesigns kay publishing dahil ito yung mga nagki-create ng designs for our online magazine, interactive PDF na pwedeng ilabas sa iba't ibang platforms para mapalawak or makarating sa mas maraming mambabasa. At the same time, mas tatangkilikin pa ng nakararami dahil sa tulong ng Adobe InDesign. So, next is the advertising and marketing. So, mahalaga din si Adobe InDesigns para kay advertising and marketing for their people have business, no? Especially for their brand or sabihin na natin yung logo. So, sa tulong ni Adobe InDesign, mas maganda ang pagkakagawa or pagkakadesign sa logo, mas interactive siya. So, kapansin-pansin, no? More high quality for designs, more tiwala at kapasidad ng isang kumpanya na mabigyan ng mataas na kalidad sa mga produkto nila at magtataas sa kanila or magtataas ng kanilang brand sa mata ng mga target audience. So the next is the film and video production. So dito, mahalaga si Adobe InDesigns for film video production, lalo na sa mga gumagawa ng pelikula. So maaaring hindi ganoon kadirektang kumpara sa Adobe applications tulad ni Premiere Pro After Effects, pero may pakinabang pa rin naman si Adobe InDesign sa paggawa ng mga video production. So si Adobe InDesign ay maaaring magandang tool or effective tool for pre-production at promotional aspect ng mga projects for film and video. So mas napapadali kasi ni InDesign at napapalakas niya yung buong proseso sa pagbuo ng or sa pagbuo at pag-promote ng mga pelikula at the same time yung video production na rin. So the next is web design and development. Bagamat hindi pangunahing tool si Adobe InDesign for web designs at development, meron pa rin naman itong mga gamit at pakinabang sa pagbuo ng mga websites. Ito yung pwedeng gamitin para sa pag-build ng mga concept, sa pag-layout ng mga content at pag-aayos ng mga graphic assets na mapadali at mapalakas yung pag-develop. At the same time, nakakakuha ng pansin at nagbibigay ng magandang user experience. So the next is the photography. So si Adobe InDesign ay adaptable siya para sa mga photographer natin. So sa pamamagitan ng InDesign, maaaring makalita ng portfolio or photo book at iba pang mga promotional materials na ah, um, tawag dito, pagkakakilanlan nila sa kanilang trabaho. So, sila yung may kakayanang mag-layout at mag-organize at magbigay ng kanilang galing sa pagkuha ng larawan or litrato sa sa professional na paraan. So, next is the architecture's interior design. So, mahalaga rin si designs para kay architecture and interior design no, for professional documents tulad ng mga pag nagpapakontrata tayo, yung mga plano natin sa ipapatayo nating mga bahay. So basically, ito yung nagbibigay daan sa mga client nila na magkaroon ng mga documents na maayos, na na-organize ng maayos at the same time, maayos na itsura. So example, yung gusto nating ipagawa nating bahay or yung gusto nating itsura ng resort. So nakakatulong si InDesign sa visualizations para makita natin yung ganda ng or design ng resort na ipapagawa natin bago natin ipagawa. So the next, the fashion design. Dito naman, mahalaga si Adobe InDesign for fashion designs, lalo na sa ating mga millennials or sa panahon natin, pagdating sa mga panonood. Yung mga gusto nating fashion looks. No, ayun. Mahalaga si InDesign for fashion lookbooks sa pamamagitan kasi ni InDesign na ipapakita niya yung high quality ng itsura at the same time yung design ng isang damit na may magandang layout typography ng isang damit. So for fashion brand materials naman, no, kapag ipakinabang din naman si InDesign dito sa pagbuo ng mga branding materials para sa mga fashion brand tulad ng mga business card, hang tags, at iba pang promotional items. So next.
Key features and capabilities of Adobe InDesign. First is layout tools. InDesign's layout tools offer precise control for creating multi-page documents effortlessly, catering to print, digital, and interactive media. Users will command over text, images, and graphics with ease. Sa layout tools is may 10 tools siya na nakakalagay, which is yung master page, grids and guides, text formatting, text wrapping, image handling, layers, interactive elements, output options, pre-flight and packaging, keyboard shortcut, and customization. Sa master pages is ni-utilize yung master pages para ma-establish yung consistent ng elements across multiple pages, tulad ng sa headers, footers, page numbers, and background graphics. Sa grid and guides naman is pwede kang mag-customize sa grid settings ng design na gusto mo. Sa text formatting is tools siya na pwedeng mag-style ng mga gusto mong fonts, sizes, colors, and effects. Sa text wrapping, dito is nakokontrol mo yung flow ng text around images and other objects. Sa image handling, pwede kang mag-import dito ng image. Pwede mong i-import yung image sa document mo and manipulate them using InDesign image editing tools. Sa layers, dito is na-organize mo yung content efficiently by using by utilizing layers. Pwede mo ditong i-manage yung iba't ibang elements ng layout na gusto mo. Sa interactive elements naman is pwede kang gumawa dito ng interactive documents tulad ng hyperlink, buttons, and animations. Sa output option, dito is yung lumalabas na yung both print and digital format. Tulad ng mga nasa PDF, EPUB, or HTML file. Sa pre-flight and packaging, bago mo ma-finalize yung document, gumagamit muna ng pre-flight para i-check yung errors, kung may missing fonts or overset text. And then sa keyboard shortcut and customization, dito is pina-familiarize yung keyboard shortcut to speed your workflow. Next is the typography control. InDesign's advanced typography features enable precise text manipulation, including kerning, tracking, leading, hyphenation, and paragraph styles, ensuring polished and professional text appearance. Dito is in-offer yung wide range ng advanced na typography features na pwedeng mag-allow sa'yo na makontrol and manipulate mo yung text, ensuring the polished and professional appearance. Sa example niyang kerning is, dito is ina-adjust yung spacing ng characters. Sa tracking is yung overall spacing between characters in a block of text. Sa leading, also known as line spacing, is yung sa distance naman between ng line of text. Sa hyphenation is automatically hyphens into words to improve the appearance of justified text, avoid excessive spacing word. Next is master pages. Images demonstrating the use of master pages to apply consistent design elements across multiple pages, saving time and ensuring consistency. Bawat master page is may design elements tulad ng headers, footers, and background graphics na pwedeng i-apply sa iba't ibang page ng documents. Next is integration with Adobe Creative Suite. InDesign integrates smoothly with Photoshop and Illustrator, enabling easy import and editing of graphics within InDesign, simplifying the design process. Like, meron din siyang import graphics na nag-a-allow na mapabilis or mapa-easy yung pag-import ng graphics, Photoshop or Illustrator na directly nasa InDesign layout. Pwede mo lang siyang i-drag and drop para ma-place mo yung file na gusto mo. Next is efficiency and productivity. InDesign enhances productivity with features like object style, liquid layout, and alternate layouts, enabling design to efficiently adapt layouts for different print or digital formats. Dito is mas nai-enhance lang yung paggawa mo ng features ng object
English.
sa object style niya is inaalaw niya yung designer na mag-create and mag-apply ng consistent formatting ng objects, text, frames, image frames, shapes, and shapes. Sa liquid layout niya is yung nakakagawa siya ng powerful features ng InDesign na pwedeng magamit ng designer na maka-create ng flexible and adaptive layout na automatically nag-a-adjust ng different pages, orientation, or aspect ratios. Next is interactive design. It supports interactive elements like hyperlinks, buttons, and multimedia, making it suitable for creating interactive PDF, ebooks, and digital magazine. Next is export option. InDesign provides diverse export options for print-ready files, interactive PDFs, and ebooks. User can customize settings for optimized design, tailoring them to their intended purpose. Sa print-ready PDF, inaalaw nito yung users na makagawa ng layouts na high quality PDFs na para siyang pang professional ganon. Sa interactive PDF naman is nakaka-create yung users ng interactive PDF na mayroong hyperlinks, buttons, multimedia forms, and navigation aids. Sa ebooks naman is nasusupport nito yung export layouts ng EPUB files, mga ganon, which is compatible siya sa wide range of ebooks readers and devices. Last is import option. Importing an Adobe InDesign allows users to seamlessly bring external content like text, images, and graphics into their documents. This fundamental feature enables designers to integrate elements from the various sources to create cohesive and visually appealing layouts. Ito is may 7 siyang tools which is seamless integration, text import, image import, graphic import, linking versus embedding, drag and drop, data merge. Sa seamless integration is sinusupport nito yung wide range ng file formats including those commonly used text. Sa text import naman is nakaka-import yung designer ng text content directly into the frames of InDesign. Sa image import, ini-enable yung nung designer na mag-import into their layouts effortlessly. Sa graphic import, pwede kang mag-add ng image through vector graphics, illustrations, logos, and other artwork na pwede sa InDesign layout. Sa linking versus embedding naman is nagbibigay nagbibigay yun ng nagbibigay yun ng sa designer ng option na either link or embed imported yung content. Sa drag and drop naman is pwede mo lang i-drag and drop yung interface para maging easy yung pag-import mo ng content. And then sa data merge, nire-require nito yung variable data ng mails merge or personalized document.
Magazine design. In magazine design is commonly used to create both the interior layouts and covers for magazines. From fashion magazines like Vogue to lifestyle publications like GQ, many well-known titles are designed using InDesign. Ang magazine design ay ito yung paggawa ng isang maayos na pag-combine ng text at mga larawan. EPUBs or electronic publication. InDesign is not limited to print. The latest version allows you to create documents for e-publishing, such as e-magazines, e-books, and interactive PDFs. Ito ay isang sikat na open standard na format ng file para sa mga digital na libro, documents, at iba pa. Invitation. InDesign is perfect for designing high-end stationery like wedding and event invitations. Isang sitwasyon o aksyon na nagtetempt sa isang tao na gumawa ng isang bagay ang isang particular na resulta. Flyers. Quickly create flyers. Whether it's a single page flyer or a multiple page, InDesign has you covered. Ang flyers ay may pagkakatulad sa brochures. Sa brochures. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila, ang brochures ay printed ang magkabilaang pages. Books covers. Setting up a wrap around book cover with a spine and lid is easy using InDesign, grids, and guides. Ito ay ang nagpo-protect sa isang libro para mapanatili ang kaayusan nito.
Next slide. Benefits of using Adobe Design. Professional skill set. Proficiency in Adobe InDesign and highly sought after by employers in enhancing resume and competitiveness in job market across industries. So, sa professional skill set, ang mga kasanayan pang professional na natutunan at naitaguyod ng isang tao sa pamamagitan ng kanilang education. Pagsasanay at karahasan sa trabaho kasama dito ang mga technical na kasanayan tulad ng programming o disenyo, pati na rin ang mga soft skills tulad ng communication o pamumuno. Career opportunities and design skill open doors to diverse career paths including graphics designer, art director, marketing coordinator, and more. Ang career opportunities ay mga pagkakataon sa trabaho na maaaring makuha ng isang tao sa kanilang karera. Ito ay mga magbubukas para sa kanila sa kanilang larangan o industriya kung saan maaari silang magamit ang kanilang kasanayan at kakayahan upang umunlad at matagumpay.
Creative expression. InDesign spark creatively crafting visually stunning layouts for rewarding careers in the creative industry. Ang creative expression ay paraan ng pagpapahayag sa sariling pag-iisip at damdamin ng pamamagitan ng iba't ibang uri ng sining at paglikha. Ito ay paggamit ng imahinasyon, kasanayan at pagnanais upang lumikha ng bagong mga ideya, konsepto at anyo ng kagandahan na nagpapahayag ng individualidad at karanasan ng isang tao. And versatility and adaptability. InDesign versatility spans friend to digital, aiding users in adapting to diverse job requirements and industry demands. Versatility at adaptability ay ang katangian papahiwatig ng kakayahan ng isang tao na mag-adjust at magamit ang kanilang mga kasanayan sa iba't ibang sitwasyon at kapaligiran. Ang versatility ay tungkol sa pagiging mahusay at epekto sa maraming mga gawain o larangan, habang ang adaptability naman ay ang kakayahan na magbago at mag-adjust ng mabilis sa mga pagbabago, pagsubok sa paligid. Sa madaling salita, ito ay tungkol sa pagiging mabilis at handa sa pagtanggap at pagsunod ng mga pagbabago hamon.
Next, number 5. Efficiency and productivity. Using Adobe InDesign makes our work faster and easier. It helps us design things quickly so we can get more done. Meaning, mapapabilis tayo na matapos ang bagay at mas marami ang matatapos natin. So when we're good at using it, we become more important to our team. Next, number 6, collaboration and communication. With Adobe InDesign, we can work with our team easily. We can share our work and ideas, which is really important for working together well. That's why it takes their done. Communication is the key because it plays a vital role to us for us to share something and to understand each other. Number 7, continuous learning and grow. Adobe InDesign keeps getting better with updates. This means we are always learning new things and studying up to date with what's cool in design. That's why may sinasabi tayong learning never ends. It always continues. That's why we are learning, and by that it will help us grow. And our career, it has a progression. Number 8, higher learning potential. When we're really good at using Adobe InDesign, we make more money. So dahil sabi ko nga kanina na learning never ends, dito napapasok yung natutunan natin. Maggamit natin ito and it will result na mas kikita tayo. People like it when we can do cool things with design. So we become more available and get paid more for it.
Okay, thank you. So now let's proceed to the last part, which is the conclusion. So I will not read this anymore, but to give my understanding about this. Okay, to sum it up all, Adobe InDesign serves as a pivotal tool for individuals engaged in design and publishing endeavors, offering a diverse range of functionalities essential to their task. Its multifaceted features not only facilitate but empower users to craft documents that exude professionalism and visual allure across both traditional print mediums and contemporary digital platforms. The software's versatility shines through in its arsenal of tools, which afford creators the flexibility needed to realize their creative visions with finesse and precision. Moreover, InDesign streamlines the workflow process with its efficient features, enabling seamless navigation and management of projects from conception to completion. Its integration with other Adobe products further enhances its utility, providing a cohesive ecosystem for designers and last publishers to leverage. In essence, whether one's endeavors entail the production of print publication or the creation of dynamic digital content, Adobe InDesign stands as a cornerstone empowering users to manifest their ideas with unparalleled clarity and ease. That's all. Thank you.
So that's it. That's the end of our topic. So thank you, ma'am.